Welcome dear students. Today we are going to see new chapter financial planning. In this chapter we have to know about GST tax invoice, GST computation and ITC shares mutual funds. GST stands for goods and service tax. Excise duty, service tax, custom duty, central surcharge and cess, VAT, luxury tax, entertainment tax, octroi, CST, countervailing duty, CVD, special additional duty, SAD, all are goods and service tax, that is GST. If we go in a shop, we get tax invoice. In tax invoice, the items we purchase, name of product, their rate, HSN code, their rate, quantity and taxable amount, all these are mentioned. GST in is goods and service tax identification number. It is mandatory for dealer whose annual turnover in previous financial year exceeds 20 lakh. GST in has 15 alphanumeric. This includes 10-digit PAN of the dealer. In this table, goods and service items list is given and rate of GST is given. See number 1, 0 rated types, rate of GST is 0% on goods. Essential commodities like food grains, fruits, vegetables, milk, salt, earthen pots, etc. And services are charitable trust activities, transport of water, uses of roads and bridges, public library, agriculture related services, education and health care services, etc. Second is low rated, that is rate of GST is 5%. Goods, commonly used items, LPG cylinder, tea, coffee, oil, honey, frozen vegetables, spices, sweets, etc. And services are railway transport services, bus transport services, taxi services, air transport services of economy class, hotels providing food and beverages, etc. Third type is standard rated first slab. It has rate of GST 12%. Goods are consumer goods, butter, ghee, dry fruits, jam, jelly, sauces, pickles, mobile phones, etc. And services are printing job work, guest house, services related to construction business. In fourth type, standard rated second slab, the rate of GST is 18%. Most of the goods and services are included. Goods, marble, granite, perfumes, metal items, computer, printer, monitor, CCTV, etc. And services are courier services, outdoor, catering, circus, drama, cinema, exhibitions, currency exchange, broker services in share trading, etc. In fifth category, highly rated types are given. The rate of GST of them is 28%. The goods are luxury items, motorcycles and spare parts, luxury cars, pan masala, vacuum cleaner, dishwasher, AC, washing machine, fridge, tobacco products, aerated waters, etc. And services are 5-star hotel accommodation, amusement parks, water parks, theme parks, casino, race course, IPL games, air transport business class, etc. In exercise 4.1, question number 1 is given. Common medical supplies, medicines. On some medicines, the rate of GST is 12% and we have to calculate CGST and SGST. Now see here, the full form of GST is goods and service tax. And here CGST, Central Goods and Service Tax. SGST is State Goods and Service Tax. When we have to calculate these two things, always remember these two taxes are half of GST. If GST is 12%, then half of it is SGST and CGST will be 6%. Here we write the rate of GST, it is given 12%. Rate of CGST, it is half of rate of GST. Which is equal to half into 12%, that is 6%. Half of 12 is 6. Similarly, rate of CGST, rate of SGST is equal to half of GST, rate of GST, which is equal to also half into 12%, which is equal to 6%. Always CGST and SGST both are half of rate of GST. In question number 2, on a certain article, if rate of CGST is 9%, then what is the rate of SGST and GST? I had told here, rate of CGST and SGST both are equal and half of GST. Therefore, if rate of CGST is 9%, therefore rate of SGST will also 9%. Here we write rate of CGST is equal to 9%. Therefore, rate of SGST is equal to rate of CGST, which is equal to 9%. But GST is always double of CGST and SGST. Therefore, rate of GST is equal to 2 into rate of CGST, which is equal to 2 into 9%, which is equal to 18%. In question number 3, MS Real Paint sold 2 tins of luster paint and taxable value of each tin is 2,800 rupees. The rate of GST is 28%. Then find the amount of CGST and SGST charged in the tax invoice. Here we have given rate of luster paint. First of all, we write the rate of luster paint it is given 2,800 rupees. Quantity is given, 2 tins are taken. Quantity is given 2, 2 टिन्स लिए गए इसलिए हम क्वांटिटी लिख देंगे यहाँ पर 2. इसलिए टोटल अमाउंट जो होगा पेंट का वो कितना हो जाएगा 2 into 2,800. टोटल अमाउंट या टोटल कॉस्ट भी बोल सकते हैं हम उसको. टोटल कॉस्ट इज इक्वल टू 2 into quantity into rate 2,800 which is equal to 28 टू ज़ा 56, 5600 रुपीज। दो टेल्स कितने में आ गए? 5600 रुपीज के। उसके बाद दिया हुआ है रेट ऑफ जीएसटी इज 28%, और हमें मालूम करना है सीजीएसटी और एसजीएसटी इनवॉइस में कितना बताया गया है। तो रेट ऑफ जीएसटी जो है वो 28% दिया है हमें, वो लिखेंगे हम यहाँ पर। रेट ऑफ जीएसटी इज इक्वल टू 28%। अभी आप लोगों को इससे पहले वाले एग्जांपल में बताई, जीएसटी जितना होता है उसका हाफ सीजीएसटी और एसजीएसटी होता है, तो वहां लिखेंगे हम रेट ऑफ सीजीएसटी इज इक्वल टू रेट ऑफ एसजीएसटी एंड बोथ आर हाफ ऑफ जीएसटी। Therefore, the rate of CGST is equal to half of rate of GST. GST हमें दिया हुआ है 28%, इसलिए हम लिखेंगे हाफ इंटू 28%, that is 14%। अब ये क्या दिया हुआ है? ये क्या मालूम किया हमने? रेट ऑफ सीजीएसटी। जितना रेट ऑफ सीजीएसटी है उतना ही रेट ऑफ एसजीएसटी है। हम यहां पर लिख देंगे रेट ऑफ जीएसटी इज इक्वल टू रेट ऑफ एसजीएसटी विच इज इक्वल टू 14%। Therefore, rate of CGST is equal to rate of SGST is equal to 14%। अब देखिए बच्चों, 14% SGST और CGST का रेट हमें मालूम हो गया है। टोटल अमाउंट कॉस्ट जो है पेंट की वो 5600 रुपीज है। तो कितना अमाउंट सीजीएसटी और एसजीएसटी पे करना पड़ेगा वो हमें कैलकुलेट करना है। तो हम यहां पर लिखेंगे देयरफॉर द अमाउंट ऑफ सीजीएसटी paid will be 14% of 5600। देखिए यहां पर 5600, इस पर जीएसटी 28% चार्ज किया गया, तो सीजीएसटी कितना हो जाएगा? 14%। 14% है इसलिए हम 0 कैंसिल कर देते हैं यहाँ पर और 14 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। 14 6 कैरी 8, 14 5 70 प्लस 8 78 रुपीज। दिस मच अमाउंट इज सीजीएसटी। इतना अमाउंट वो सीजीएसटी का पे करता है। देयरफॉर द अमाउंट ऑफ एसजीएसटी इज ऑल्सो 784 रुपीज।